Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get back streaks on Snapchat after blocking. So let's get started. So if you got blocked on Snapchat and you lost your streak and you want to get it back. So to get back your streak, now what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your Snapchat. After opening up your Snapchat, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just simply scroll down and inside your support you will find I need help. Just tap on I need help. And after tapping on I need help, now you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down now you will find this option which is contact us. So just simply tap on contact us, and after tapping on that option now you can just simply submit a request. So now what you can do is just select this option which is I lost my streak, and after tapping on I lost my Snapchat streak, now what you have to do is scroll down and then tap on this option which is I am having trouble restoring my Snapchat streak in the app. And after doing that you just have to scroll down and enter your following details. So in the first blank you can enter the phone number of the account that you want to restore your streaks from, and also the email address from that account and the mobile number which you have linked with that account. And you have to enter the device that you were using, and after entering the device name now you have to enter the friend's username which blocked you. And after doing that just simply scroll down and then tap on when did you started having this issue. And after entering the date now in below, what you have to do is how long was your snap streak before it expired. So just enter the snap streak, and then in the last blank you just have to enter did you see this icon. So if you can find that following icon, what you can do is just simply tap on yes. If you don't, then tap on no. And now in the description you just have to enter that I lost my snap streak, please help me to recover my snap streak. And after entering that just scroll down and then tap on submit, and after tapping on submit your feedback will be sent to Snapchat and they will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to get back snap streak on Snapchat after blocking. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.